Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert half horizontal line in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert half horizontal line. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. Now we go to the line section and select the line shape. Then we draw this line shape horizontally. Press shift on our keyboard and draw a half line. Now we can see we insert half horizontal line to this publisher document very easily. You can change the color or apply more style. Click the shape and go to the shape format menu. You can change the color. Select the shape outline and change color. You can increase the width or thickness. Go to the white section and increase the white. Otherwise, you can apply more effect. Click shape effect drop down menu. You can apply shadow, reflection, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.